ChatGPT gets better all the time. It's absolutely essential these days to use to turbocharge your business. Don't use it much already? Well, you know what they say, the early bird gets the worm. So if you don't get up to speed on the latest AI techniques to help your marketing efforts, well, your competitors will get there before you. You see, with ChatGPT, it effectively all comes down to writing effective prompts. And when using it for marketing, many users make mistakes like vague prompts, providing unclear instructions like write a social media post from our company. Well, this leads to generic, often boring responses. It lacks creativity or relevance, or lack of context. Some people give prompts that omit details such as the target audience, brand tone, or purpose results in outputs, so they simply miss the mark when you get the output from it. Overloading, packing too many requests into one prompt, like write a post, an email, an ad copy. This can confuse the AI and dilute the quality of what you'll get. Or ignoring specificity, not specifying format, the length you want, the style. So this leads to inconsistent output as well. Some people expect perfection as well, wanting a great output in the first attempt, instead of refining and experimenting. And unrealistic expectations, anticipating human-like creativity from a poor prompt. That's not going to happen, is it? Remember the term garbage in, garbage out? So look, here are a few examples. Writing social media posts, first of all. Here's a poor one. Write a post about our product. Oh no. Now, here's an example of a good one. Write a playful Instagram post for our eco-friendly water bottles, targeting millennials, focusing on sustainability and convenience. You're going to get a result from that one. What about writing copy for advertising? An example of a poor prompt would be, make an ad for our new app. And then some details about the app in brackets maybe, but that's not very useful. A good prompt would be something like, write a catchy Facebook ad for our budget planning app that appeals to young professionals and emphasizes simplicity and saving money. That would help, wouldn't it? That is more targeted. What about thinking of subjects for podcasts? Poor one, suggest podcast ideas. No. A good one, suggest 5 unique podcast topics for a marketing audience interested in emerging trends and actionable tips in this specific area. You give it a specific number, 5 is good, or 10, something like that. Don't worry, you're not going to overstretch it. Well, you might if you ask for 1 million, but it will tell you that. 4, write a marketing email. A poor example would be, write an email about our sale, whereas a good prompt would be, write a concise email promoting our 50% holiday sale, targeting busy parents, emphasizing fast shipping and gift options. What about writing voiceover scripts for promo videos? A poor prompt would be something like simply write a promo script for our product. A good one, write a 30-second upbeat voiceover script for our promo video about our fitness app, highlighting convenience, personalized plans, and motivation for beginners. Aim it at couch potatoes, but don't say this term in the copy. Look, if you're serious about taking your ChatGPT skills to the next level, I've got something incredible to share with you. It's called the 10 ChatGPT Prompt Bundle. It's over at aimarketer.ai. It's packed with expert-crafted, done-for-you prompt kits that'll give you everything you need to master AI and to grow your business. Now, they've done all the hard work, so you don't need to. It includes separate sections for creating winning and targeted advertising copy, podcast production ideas, social media, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, blog writing, email marketing, training course writing, even got prompts for compelling podcast productions, and everything is there for you to help boost your business. So whether you're a beginner or already using ChatGPT, this bundle will accelerate your journey, helping you work smarter and faster in ways you never thought possible. So, unlock the true potential of ChatGPT, so click the link somewhere around this video, and thank you very much for watching.